To subscribe our channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button to get the latest video notifications.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Hello guys, welcome to DD Tech TV, and today we are going to unbox a special thing. Whosoever is a Marvel fan will definitely like it. So this is the set of action figures which I brought from Amazon.in. So this should not be here, of course. So as you can see, we have Captain America, Thor, Ant-Man, Hulk, and all-time favorite Iron Man. So it says Age of Ultron, but I don't think Ant-Man was there at that time. So yeah, this is pretty much normal packing, and as you can see, all the action figures which are here are given on the back of the box. So I just bought it for fun. It was looking very nice, so I bought this. So yeah, let's quickly unbox this and I'll show you the quality. So here are the action figures. So let's start with the Captain America. And just I want to say one thing, like the quality is not like the top notch, but if you don't want to spend too much on the action figures and you still want to buy one, then you can simply go for it. So this is our Captain America. So the quality is okay, not that bad, but yes, not the top notch which you generally get with the action figures. And here is the Captain America shield, and you can just simply put like this, and here it is. Looks nice, right? So this is the Captain America, and then we have Thor. So here's the Thor, and also we have the hammer as well, and you can definitely pick this up. So that's like, yeah, so it looked like this. It's pretty nice, I would say. And the third one is the Ant-Man. It's also look nice. You can rotate the heads as well. It's fine. And then it comes to Hulk. I must say the quality of Hulk is really good, as you can see, and it looks pretty well as well. So yeah, this is Hulk. Looks nice and strong. And now here comes the Iron Man. So Iron Man is pretty nice as well, as you can see. You can rotate the head as well, and just like this. That's pretty nice. So I like this product, so I bought it from Amazon. The link is in the description below, so if you want it, just check out the link. So these are the action figures, and it looks awesome. So yeah, so this was the quick unboxing and overview of these Avengers action figures. So do buy them if you like it, and like this video, subscribe the channel, and thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.